How to enable read receipts in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And as you might know, read receipts are these two check marks that appear on a message that lets you know whether the other person has read your message or not. So if I clicked and hold on this message, then clicked on the information icon, it shows you that if these two blue check marks are if the two check marks are blue, it means that the message has been read. But if they are still gray, it means that the message has been delivered, but it has not been read yet. So what you can do in order to enable this functionality is you need to click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then click on settings and click on account, then click on privacy. Once you are on this page, from the first section, the who can see my personal info section, the last option says read receipts, and you can see there's toggle next to it, but it's turned off. So what you need to do is click on the toggle to turn it on, and what will this do is will let you know whether the other person has read your message or not, and it will also let the other person whether you have read his message or not. So it works both way. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on read receipts on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.